What are the big factors that really affect price on Amazon? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk you through exactly what they are and how you can utilize that information to make yourself a lot more money on Amazon. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you grow your business on Amazon here in Australia, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. Also, if you want more like this, give this video a thumbs up and I will be sure to post more content just like this for you. If you've got a question for me or a comment, you know what to do. I'll answer that personally for you too. Let's get into it. You have come to Amazon, you have got a problem. You are a customer with a problem. Your problem is, in this particular instance, you're looking for a kid's toy. You're looking for a kid's toy, okay? What are the things that are the biggest influencers of price on Amazon at this juncture? What are the things that are the biggest, have got the biggest effect on price at this juncture? Dave says, value for price. How would you know at this juncture value? John says, trademarked item. What difference would having a trademark have at this juncture? Marianne says, reviews. Yep. So reviews would make a difference at this particular point. Absolutely. Scotty says photos. Yep. So photos would also have a big influencer at this particular juncture. What else? What else? Hero image. Yep. So photos specifically. Does it look cheap or nasty? Absolutely. So again, your photo plays a role, is the thing that creates that for you. What else? Safe products, 3-year-old targeted. So is the product actually suitable for the person? Absolutely. I'm just going to make a note of that. So that is, the product is on target. So it's got what's called relevancy. It's relevant to the search. What else? The function of the product, says Charles. The price. Yep. So price is also important. That would also be important. What else? If it's a new idea, potentially. Yeah. So if you're looking for something new, absolutely. Anything else you can think of? Again, we're on this page, and this is like a crazy important page for you. Like if you get this page wrong, it's pretty hard to make any money on Amazon. Yeah. So look at what information we've got on this page. What are the things that affect price on this page? Bestseller badge. Yeah, that's a big one. What else? Amazon's choice. Let's just call them badges. Okay. So badges, because you've got holiday toy list, you've got the bestseller badge. I don't need to show you anymore. Like everything you've got is right here to figure this out. Anything else? Look at what you've got. Look at the okay, now. Okay, stop for a minute. Now, you are buying the toy for, in this particular instance, yeah, for a it's not for you. You know, you've got a credit card, you're an adult. It's not for you. It's for somebody else, okay? It's for somebody else. And it's a toy, ostensibly, that you would assume for this is a Christmas present, okay? So clearly, there's some extra things that you're thinking about when you're buying this thing. Family connection, the title, on sale or discounted, maybe. Correct age range, maybe. Kids' interests. Gift wrap, yep, that would be important. Gift wrap. What else? Value for money, the packaging. Yep. Design, delivery date, absolutely. Well done. Okay, cool. We got there in the end. All right, so on this page, The only things that matter that you have to absolutely be optimizing for to charge, these have got the biggest effect on price, I'll explain why in a second, is the relevancy of the product. The relevancy of the product. If you are presented with a whole page of products that do not look like they are a great toy for a 3-year-old boy, then it doesn't matter what they are. It doesn't matter what price they are. The only thing that matters is you can't find what you're looking for. You are not finding what you're looking for. Okay, so that's got a huge impact. And the more that something is perfect for that 3-year-old boy, the less you give a shit about how much it costs. I mean, there's a point at which, you go, oh, well, I wasn't intending to spend that much money, but that up to that point, price is of no influence whatsoever. Okay. Interesting thing to know. Next, what was the next one you said? So that's price. Yeah. Bestseller badges. Absolutely. We are without a doubt influenced by bestseller badge. In fact, all those badges, without a doubt, though, the bestseller badge is the easiest one to engineer, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. And it also has the biggest effect on sales as well. Okay. And so it's one of those wonderful things where once you get the bestseller badge, it increases your sales, which increases your holding of the bestseller badge. And so it's a nice kind of virtuous cycle. Okay. Like 20, 30% extra sales with the bestseller badge. It's well worth getting it. Gift wrap. Gift wrap is an important one to have. Okay, so if your product is gift wrapped and arrives gift wrapped, there will be absolutely some people who want to send that product only because it arrives wrapped beautifully. And so if they're sending it to some, if it's grandma sending it to a child, well, it arrives gift wraps. That's a big bonus for the product. And again, that in itself can alter the way we think about value through price. Okay. Without a doubt, all things being equal, if something is, I don't know, like $24.95 and something's $29.95, but the $29.95 thing arrives gift wrapped, and that's what you want, then that $5 is of no consequence. Okay. Final thing, delivery date, huge around this time of year. And in fact, anything for this kind of gifting thing, really, really important. If I am doing last minute shopping and I know that that product will arrive on time, again, price kind of goes out the window. My interpretation of price goes out the window, and it's superseded by the desire to just get the thing there. Okay, and I will pay an outsized amount of money for that trust in the thing to get there. Now, of course, if it doesn't arrive there, then that creates issues. But just at this page, that has got a huge impact on price as a result of that. Okay, got a huge impact. So they are, from this page, the big things that define price, or really this is value. It's a value matrix inside the heads of your customers. Okay. All right, let's have a look. And then I'm going to go show you something pretty nutty after that. How do you get it gift wrapped? You can get that done through Amazon. You can get it done through FBM. Hayden says the reticular activation system, which is something, again, hugely important, something we discussed already. I want it, I must have it for my child, and it gives value to the brain. Price becomes irrelevant. Absolutely. And have you not noticed yourself, like when you are let me show you something. Okay. I'll demonstrate it really, really easily for you. The number of people what search like this, search with the thing and then a top price or their budget, is unreal. So what the hell does that tell us about how we think about price? It tells us that all of our customers, as Hayden said, have got this predetermined idea of their budget that they want to spend, and they are totally happy to spend up to that. Okay, totally happy to spend up to that. And so again, that comes down to pricing and thinking about how pricing works. But that's like when I think about, and it's horrible to say, and I get that it's awful to say, but when I think about different relationships I have with people, and I think about getting gifts for them, well, my wife, the things I get from my wife and the amount of money I've budgeted for her is much, much different than the amount of money I budget for, my sister. And that's also different to the amount of money I budget for one of my mates. You know what I mean? So we all enter that with a predetermined price. We all enter it with a predetermined price. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There are over 2,500 members right here in Australia. We've also got members from other countries as well, but we're mostly in Australia. We've got sales of over $50 million on Amazon here in Australia and indeed right around the world. And if you'd like to find out more about joining us and getting all the benefits of being a member of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description, and I will see you on the inside.